A nonconformance describes products and items that do not comply with a predefined performance or quality standard. Nonconformance might also apply to customer service or internal problems such as customer complaints or production issues. The problem source is termed a nonconformance type. You assign a nonconformance type, its detailed source information, and the associated problem type when you create a nonconformance. There are not 5 nonconformance types, and the detailed source information varies by each type. These are described in more detail. The detailed source information is optional, and a nonconformance can be created without detailed source information. Nonconformances can be created for customers, vendors, production orders, service requests, or internal purposes. A nonconformance is created that has an approval status of new. This represents a request for action. A nonconformance can be approved or refused, which changes the approval status to approved or refused, to indicate that action will or will not be taken on the nonconformance. You can close a nonconformance as indicated by a separate checkbox to indicate that it is finished, or reopen a nonconformance to indicate that additional consideration is required. A nonconformance is created through the nonconformances reference form. Let's take a look at all of the setup components required. The first is problem types, which we just discussed. Then are diagnostic types, which are used to describe the actions that will take place to find a solution to the problem. Operations, which are used to describe the activities performed to make a correction to fix the problem. Quality charges, which are used to track the costs for repairing or researching a specific problem. And quarantine zones, which are used to track the area in the warehouse where the problem items are being stored. You can watch the following demonstration to see how to set up these nonconformance components.